Hey guys, Max from HighOnAndroid.com, where we get on Android every day. Today we're gonna take my GoPro 10 prototype. Sorry, I was gonna get a GoPro, but then I brought my GH5. I was like, why don't I just use my GH5? It's probably got better stabilization. So we're gonna go down this hill. I don't have a gimbal. I just have like a tripod, portable tripod with GH5. I'm gonna sort of lug it on my shoulder, sort of use it as a shoulder rig, and see how well the stabilization works on the GH5 at 4K 60 frames per second. We're gonna go all the way down the mountain run, my favorite part of Squaw Valley here. So let's go do this, baby. Okay, guys, ready for this? See how stable the GH5 is. I got the perfect method. I got the tripod almost mounted as a shoulder mount. Woo! So you get the bird's eye view of what I'm seeing with my eyes. Hill, go straight down, no turns, yo. Oh, going 50 miles per hour. Oh shit! Help! I made it! Woo! Woo! This is actually working out quite well. Girls and boys. Now, if I can somehow counterweight my tripod, it would actually work out perfect. So next time, I'll have to think of a DIY method. Oh, it's so dark in it. I can't see anything. Woo! Not too many people out here, which is really nice. Really rad with the GH6. Sorry, it's GH5. GoPro 10. What do you guys think? Does that look good? Alright, a little bit more. This is actually my favorite run of Squaw Valley here. I've been going down this hill since I was like 12. So maybe like 26 years. I didn't go snowboard for a while. Go fast here. Woo! I gotta do that when I pass skiers so they don't run into me when I pass them. Just for safety purposes, that's not it. Working well. And another hill down. Woo! Great. Look at this footage, looks great. You guys are gonna love it. Look at me going down the hill. With my GoPro 10. Nobody else has a GoPro 10. Let's go down here a little bit. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh yeah, do let me know, do you think this is better than a GoPro Hero 6? If it's not, then I just keep using this. Have a great day, and as always, stay on Android.
Hi, click here to subscribe. Click here to subscribe. 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 Subscribe.